I just saw a lady changing her underwear at the bus stop on Ocean Boulevard. Alright, well, good morning out there. First things first, something magical happened this week.
The dynasty continues. There's a smile for you.
Congratulations to the Patriots. God damn it, I love you guys. It is so awesome to be a Patriots fan. What's better than being a Patriots fan? Nothing. It is Thursday, February 7th. And Los Angeles just survived its second straight storm. But that doesn't mean that the beaches survived. Every single time it rains, we get hit with tons of pollution because all that shit comes down from the mountains. It hits the San Gabriel River and it hits the LA River, and it ends up right here in Long Beach and in neighboring Seal Beach. I saw some pictures this week of Seal Beach, and I had never seen Seal Beach that way. It looked worse than Long Beach, and I've never seen anything worse than Long Beach. But Seal Beach looked like absolute madness, which is what it looks like out here right now. As you can see, all along here, it is nothing but trash. Nothing but trash. You can almost see the plastic glistening in the sun. After the last rainstorm, I did a beach cleanup, and I made a promise to myself that I would try to do one full week of coming down here really early and picking up a bunch of trash. Today is day one. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Let's help save the world. I am here to re-report because on the last vlog where I cleaned the beach, I said, normally when I come down here and do a cleanup, it's nothing but straws everywhere. And the positive spin is, I actually haven't been seeing that many straws. But that's a different story. Today, there's a lot more straws. A lot more straws. That's not a good sign. Not a good sign at all. Here to interrupt with a little coffee break. I know I say this every time, but this is disgusting. This is awful. This is embarrassing. We gotta get this shit off the beach. Coffee break over. It's time to fill up bag number 2. All right, we're back. We filled up bag number 2. We are halfway done through bag number 3. I haven't really ventured off more than 10 feet in either direction with the cart because I haven't had to. You can see I'm hardly putting a dent in things, but I'm filling up bags. I'm filling them up quick, grabbing a lot of straws, grabbing a lot of bottle caps, grabbing a lot of plastic. It's a never-ending fight, but somebody's got to do it. Captain Puerto Rico. When it comes to trash and plastics, we got to find a different way. If I can change, then you can change. Then we all can change.
If I can change,
Я думаю, что каждый тоже изменился
and
сегодня.
you can change,
Вы можете измениться.
everybody can change.
Rough Riders! First you had them like, now they like, why baby? Alright, we're back again. Just filled up bag number 3. I technically could fill them up a little bit more, but they're kind of on the cheaper side. And with all the pokey things I'm getting, there's little holes in them, so I don't want to fill it up too much, try to pick it up, and then it goes all over the sand again. I'm going to go for at least one more, and we'll see where Nicole's at. She's probably still sleeping. Nicole, wake up. Nicole, wake up. Wake up, Nicole. Wake up, Nicole, wake up! Captain Puerto Rico needs a sidekick. Come on down. I have reached bag number 4. That's today's goal, was to hit 4 bags. I hit 4 bags. So I'm going to continue with this tomorrow. I'm going to come down here again, probably try to catch sunrise and get another 4 bags at least. But I think tomorrow I'm going to bring the bigger trash can. I'm going to get some better bags, and I'm going to try to wake Nicole's sleepy ass up next time so she can come down here and help her brother out. Get that this is going to happen after every storm. There's going to be debris that kind of comes up on shore in Long Beach and Seal Beach. But I think we need to do a better job. I think there needs to be a better system to make sure this doesn't happen. How about some sort of a system, some sort of a netting system, obviously a little more high-tech netting system that can catch all this stuff before it ends up here, before it ends up on the beach, before it ends up in Catalina, before it ends up in Seal Beach. Can't we do that? So that concludes day one of a week-long beach cleanup process. I should be back here tomorrow, but until then, I appreciate you for watching my video. I would love it if you subscribed. I would love it if you hit the like button. This has been the Rim Vlog. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the flip side.